In the cities, where you spend a great amount of your time on the road, you experience a lot of traffic on a daily basis, always with someone calling or texting while you drive. To avoid the inevitable consequences of irresponsible drivers and the unnecessary arguments at the courthouse, to document a truthful record of accidents, you need a device that can keep track of what happens on the road, that you can always rely on. We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the third generation Rexing V1 Dash Cam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dash cams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dash cams communicate and transfer data with the third generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing Dash Cam, your roadside witness.
The V1P is made out of all plastic, so it's fairly light. This is a good thing because if you're ever in a serious accident and it does happen to fall from your window, it's not going to injure you. On the front is a 2.4-inch LCD screen that gets bright enough to see during the day. On the bottom you have a mode button which lets you toggle between photo or video playback modes. There's a recording button, a microphone button, and a screen on or off button. On the right you have a rear camera port, GPS module port, USB charging port, and a lens angle adjuster. This lets you raise or lower the camera for a better picture. Finally, on the left you have another lens angle adjuster which provides the same function as the one on the right. A menu button to access your settings, a reset button, a power button, and a micro SD card slot which can hold up to 128 gigabytes. Now here's the thing, I was worried about installation. I thought it'd be a pain since you need to run wires across your window to connect it to your car charger, but actually it's quite easy. The majority of cars have enough space to slip the cable in between the window and the fabric. So I just ran it around the glass, down the side, through my glove box, and into my car charger. Using the dash cam is super easy. You just leave it plugged into your car charger, and every time the car turns on, your dash cam will automatically turn on with it and automatically start recording. The front cam can record in HD or Full HD. I left it on Full HD, but you will use up your storage space faster. In the event you do fill up your SD card without moving the footage, the V1P has loop recording, so after it gets full, it will start re-recording over the oldest files first. Rexing uses a G sensor with their dash cam, so if you get into an accident, it will lock the footage. This way you don't lose any of your files. There's an option to turn on or off wide dynamic range. I like to leave it on. I always want my footage to look as best as possible. Speaking of detail, the camera is able to capture a wide field of view. So everything in front of your car gets recorded. The image quality is good. I'd probably compare it to a smartphone camera from 2015. And as you can see here, during the day, the colors look good and white balance is on point. Later in the evening when the sun is coming down, it still manages to do a good job of keeping things bright and clear. The camera is able to pick up the details and writing from the passing signs. The rear camera, on the other hand, only shoots at 480p, so the resolution is not as great, but more than fine to capture a vehicle hitting you from behind.